Welcome to Can I Walk? Can I Walk is an app for the reluctant walker. We aim to promote walking, and all of its benefits, both for the walker and also for the walker's community. And we do that by presenting information that's relevant to people who want to take a walk. And to start us off, here's Dan, who will talk about the landing page of Can I Walk.
Here you'll see the landing page for Can I Walk. From this page, new users can register. Upon registration, an email will be sent, at which point you can either confirm or decline registration. Current users, if they've forgotten their password, can click on the Forgot Password link, which will send an email asking you to reset your password. Or if you're already a user, you can just put in your email and password, click Login, which will bring you to the next page. What you'll notice is the others have walked too. This generates suggested routes based upon not only the user's preferred walking distance, but also walks that other users have taken. So you can choose one of those, or if you already have an option in mind, you can go up to the Walk To bar and type in where you want to go. What you'll notice is as you begin to type in a destination, the Google Places API will be hit and will autocomplete, and that will bring you to the map info page, which Greg will tell you about.
So this is the map information page, and we're pulling a lot of information from the Google API. We're grabbing the user's current location, as well as their destination and the suggested route. We're also populating the map with different points of interest. These are created by previous users that have walked around and seen something that they want to point out to other users. We also want to make sure we get the distance and duration of the walk, as well as the weather conditions, so the user can make an informed decision about whether or not to walk. Additionally, we're populating the ratings over an average of all the ratings for those different metrics, and some comments to help point out anything specific that the user needs to go. This walk looks pretty great, so we're going to go ahead and take it. I'm going to pass it off to Jeremy.
And this is the page that a user, a walker, will use to navigate through their walk. In addition to the route and the places of interest, as we saw on the previous page, there's a little blue indicator to indicate the current location of the walker. And as you can see, we've also allowed the Google Maps Street View functionality to be active on this page. So in case the walker gets lost, this is their route, they can look at their surroundings, compare it to the Street View surroundings, and then find their bearings. And another important functionality of this page, as you can see, there's that orange button down there. It says Save a Favorite Place. And when you click that, it's going to ask for the name of a favorite place. For example, if we walked through the Bronto Thunderdome, we would say Bronto Thunderdome. And when you click Save, it will take your current location and then populate other walkers' maps with that point of interest if they take a walk nearby. And if you want to end the walk, you can click End This Walk and confirm it. And then you go ahead and rate your walk based on safety, ease, how much you enjoyed it, and your thoughts on the accessibility of the walk. You can also leave comments about the walk to note anything remarkable that you saw along the way. For example, a beautiful courtyard with super interesting places. And here's Jeff to talk about the account of Can I Walk.
So Can I Walk works best when users personalize their experience. On the My Account page, they can see a total distance of what they've walked using the app. They can also see the longest walk they've taken, as well as each walk chronologically ordered. On top of that, whenever you click on any of the walks themselves individually, it will call up the ratings. And so we see with Toast, which we just took, we have all of the ratings we gave it, as well as the comments. This allows users to call back to earlier walks that they may have really enjoyed and to revisit them. But what happens if you go on a walk or try to take a walk that's maybe beyond your preferred max distance? So we'll try this with the Museum of Life and Science from Marinard. Can I Walk knows what your distance is, and in this case, mine was 2 miles, and this is now 3 miles, so it says this is a little bit above what your distance is. So even though the ratings may be good, and the comments are good, I'm going to take the advice